Imagine this. You've built up amazing equity in a beautiful home, maybe somewhere like Coronado or Rancho Santa Fe.
Yeah.
But here's the twist. You're rich on paper, but maybe feeling a bit, squeezed for actual cash.
The real paradox.
Exactly. And it's something a lot of homeowners in high-value areas run into. So today, we're going to dive deep into a powerful tool, one that's often misunderstood, really designed for this exact situation.
Right.
The jumbo reverse mortgage.
Right. And that distinction is really key for you listening to understand. What's fascinating, I think, is how this option goes way beyond what a standard reverse mortgage can do. It really unlocks significant equity, especially for properties that might be worth millions.
Yeah.
It's about looking at your home not just as, well, a place to live, but as a strategic financial asset.
Okay, let's unpack that right away then.
Yeah.
What really makes a jumbo reverse mortgage fundamentally different from the traditional one most people might have heard about?
Well, the core difference, it really comes down to scale and structure. Your traditional reverse mortgage, that's federally insured. And the crucial part is it has a cap, a limit, on the home value it'll actually consider. So if your home in La Jolla or maybe Del Mar is worth, say, $2, $3, even $10 million, that federal cap really limits how much cash you can pull out.
Right, it wouldn't touch the sides for some properties.
Exactly. But a jumbo reverse mortgage, that's a private loan. It's specifically built for these high-value homes. It lets you tap into a much bigger slice of your home's actual equity. And that's where it gets really interesting because it gives you access to capital that the standard federally capped loan it just can't offer.
That makes a huge difference, especially in our local markets here. So who is this really for then? I mean, who's the ideal candidate for this kind of loan?
Typically, we're looking at someone who's 55 or older. They probably own their home outright or maybe have a very small mortgage balance left. And the key thing is they need access to, significant cash, tax-free. This could be for anything, really. Supplementing retirement income without selling off investments, maybe paying off some existing debts, or even planning for long-term care costs while staying put. We often see folks in beautiful areas, say Mission Hills, who are technically asset-rich but find themselves cash poor.
Right, that paradox again.
Yeah, and this loan is all about creating that liquidity, that cash flow, without forcing you to sell a home you love.
It definitely sounds like a way to bridge that gap. Let's get into the nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
Are there monthly payments involved? What about qualifying? And how fast can you actually get the money?
Okay, good questions, and this is a really important point. Unlike a regular mortgage, there are no required monthly mortgage payments.
None.
None required. Okay. The loan balance, it just grows over time. It typically gets paid back only when you sell the home or permanently move out or when you pass away.
Okay. And qualifying.
It's pretty straightforward. You need to be 55 or older, and the home has to be your primary residence. And here's something that's a huge relief for a lot of retirees. There's no income or employment verification.
Wow. Okay. No income check.
None. And as for speed, it's generally much quicker than getting a traditional reverse mortgage. Funding often happens in, say, around 4 to 6 weeks.
That's really reassuring, especially the no payments and the simpler qualification.
Yeah.
So once you're approved, how does the money actually get to you? What are the options there?
Great question. There's actually quite a bit of flexibility, which is nice, and you can often combine these. So first, you could take a lump sum payment up front. Good for immediate needs, like a big home repair or paying off another loan.
Okay.
Then there's a line of credit. This lets you draw funds as you need them, up to your limit. And what's really powerful about the line of credit is that the unused portion grows over time.
It grows.
Yeah.
So your available credit increases.
Exactly. It provides you with potentially more access to funds down the road, which can be your great safety net. And third, you can choose term or 10-year payments. These are basically set monthly payments sent to you, which can really help supplement retirement income on a regular basis.
So lump sum, line of credit that grows, or monthly checks. Lots of options.
Yes, very flexible depending on what you need. We saw a case, a couple in Coronado, they took a small lump sum for some renovations, but set up most of it as that growing line of credit. Really smart planning for the future.
All right, now for the question, I know it's probably on everyone's mind.
Yeah.
The big one. What happens to the family? Are your kids, your heirs, suddenly on the hook for this loan balance?
That's absolutely crucial. And this is often the aha moment for people. Jumbo reverse mortgages are non-recourse loans.
Non-recourse, meaning?
Meaning the loan is secured only by the house itself. It's not attached to your other assets. And importantly, it's not attached to your heirs personally. Your heirs are never personally responsible for paying back the loan, even if the balance ends up being more than the home sells for.
Never. So if the market drops, they aren't left holding the bag.
Correct. They are protected. They have clear choices. They can choose to pay off the loan balance, maybe refinance, or use other funds and keep the house in the family. Or they can sell the house, use the proceeds to pay off the loan, and keep any remaining equity. Or, if there's no equity or they don't want the house, they can simply hand the keys to the lender, and the lender deals with selling it. They walk away clean.
Okay, that is huge. That removes a massive worry for people. It's not just about accessing cash, it's about peace of mind for the family, too.
Absolutely. It provides that crucial peace of mind, knowing you're not leaving behind an unintended financial burden. It can even open up different kinds of estate planning strategies, actually.
So wrapping this up, the key takeaway seems clear. If you have significant home equity, especially in these high-value areas we've mentioned, a jumbo reverse mortgage can be a really powerful way to get liquidity, to get financial flexibility without needing to sell the home you love.
Exactly. And if we, connect this to the bigger picture for a moment, understanding these kinds of specialized tools is so important for navigating retirement, for managing wealth, particularly in markets where property values have shot up. It lets you actually use your assets for your lifestyle now.
Yeah.
Instead of just being, like we said, cash rich on paper, but feeling constrained in reality.
Yeah.
It really shifts how you can think about and leverage your home equity.
A really strategic tool. Well, as always, we strongly encourage you to talk this over with a qualified financial advisor, someone who understands these products, to see if it's the right fit for your specific financial picture. Thanks for diving deep with us today.